Today we'll be fishing with sweet corn in the margins. Sweet corn is such a versatile bait. It's inexpensive and it's really easy to use, and carp really love it. Today we are using a LQ rig with a Stonze for a weight, 25-pound Steamlink, a size 6 curved Shank Gripz, and just a simple hair with a shrink tubing kicker. As for free offerings, I was just using a couple handfuls of sweet corn just in and around my hook bait. Carp love sweet corn, whether it's the sugars, amino acids, or omegas within the sweet corn itself that they love. I'm not quite sure, but they really like it, and I think everybody should have a can of sweet corn in their rucksack just as a backup bait if their normal bait isn't working. I don't know how many times I've been outfished on sweet corn where you can use it. Now, the thing is, all fish love sweet corn, so not all water bodies are sweet corn friendly, because all fish love to eat it. So sometimes it can be a bit of a nuisance because you're catching fish that you're not targeting rather than the carp. So something I did during this session, just to add a little extra attractant to the sweet corn I had on my hair, was dip it into jungle glug. The glug is very sticky, it holds onto the bait, and it gives off a nice scent, and the jungle flavor is tiger nut peanut flavor, which I find the carp in my area really like. The point of this was to try to just add an extra attractant to see if I could get the carp to key in on my hook bait rather than the free offerings. But you'll get to see in this underwater film what exactly happened. So sit back, relax, and let's see how these carp react to sweet corn around the underwater camera.